Here I have iPhone 14, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to slow motion mode, and by tapping on this icon here in the corner you can change its frame rate with frame rate you can change its speed. So like 120 is like normal slow motion speed, and 240 it's like super slow motion speed. So yeah, that's how you can switch it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.